Okay, so this is the Glow collection. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. We're gonna see how beautiful it is. It looks like it's glowing already, and if I lower my light, let's see. It looks like it was, look how bright it is still. It's pretty. But yeah, leave it bright for you guys. And what was I gonna say? I'm gonna try to give you guys a viewpoint of these colors in the dark the best that I can. I tried to do that in the past, which I don't think I ever posted the video. I don't remember if I did or not, but the Mia Secrets collection that glows. That was interesting because I had no room in my house that I could actually swatch or show how dark it is, because all the rooms in my house had light coming through. So yeah, that was interesting. But now, where I'm at now, I have the option of doing that. So let's get on with the swatches and enjoy. that was the Glow collection. I just feel like Valentino is like upping their game when it comes to the quality of their powders because, well, I don't know if y'all could tell, but I was a little shaky in this video with my hands because I got caffeine overdrive going on in my body right now. And I realized I hadn't drinking that much water today. So if you see my hands shaking, that's why. But anyway, this is the Glow collection. And let's go through these colors and then I'll show you them in the dark. So first off, I want to say that this might actually be my most favorite collection. So we have the 179. Oh my goodness. Everything is just like highlighter color. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I could just see myself rocking every single one of these colors. We have 180, which these two actually are pretty similar. These kind of give me hot Cheeto vibes. The colors, like, you know, the color that's left over on your fingers. But look how pretty that is. And then we have 181. This is like a hot coral color. And then we have 182, which is like a hot bright pink, almost kind of similar to what I have. I could have rocked this one and had glow in the dark nails. What the heck? And then we have a green, slime green. So pretty. I really love this collection. And then we have highlighter yellow. Like, it says it all. Look how bright this is. Like, oh my goodness. I'm so in love. And then last but not least, we have a white, which I think is actually really nice that they included this because it'd be cool to do this with the ombre color or even just fringe tips and doing it white. I think that's really cool. So this is the collection, which I really like. Let me see if I can get them up closer for you. Oh my goodness, my coffee. I got like a large today and then I had coffee this morning. So I'm just like, I feel so jittery. But let's see. These are all our colors. I'm trying to see if I can get the light. There we go. Look at that. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. If I had to, honestly, I can't actually choose a favorite out of this one because I am actually pretty happy with this whole entire collection. Like, I don't have anything negative to say at all. I know obviously there's colors and stuff that blend really nicely, but I think it just goes with how it is sometimes with the whole glow mixture. You're kind of limited sometimes what you can do with it, but these are just so pretty. I really like it. And yeah, this set came with 7 colors instead of the typical 8, which is fine. So obviously this set would be close to around $70, which isn't bad unless you use a code, which they always give out. So, well, I hope you guys enjoy your day and enjoy the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. Okay, let's show you these colors. Glowing in the dark. You can tell where the concentrated color, well, these are trippy to look at, but look at the glow on these guys. They're beautiful. Obviously my camera can only focus so well because it is dark in here, but look at that. They glow pretty well. I think the blue is kind of my favorite. Blue? I don't remember there being a blue. Let's see what color this is. This is shade 182. But that one's my favorite glow, which we'll look at which one that is because I feel like these are looking. So we know we have our Cheeto colors, we have our pink, we had our greens and our neon yellow. And then this guy, oh, this is our white. Look how beautiful that white is. Oh my goodness. Well, once again, I hope you enjoyed the video and you guys have a wonderful day.